Because I only have one other question for you. Were you bar mitzvahed yourself?
I wasn't. I was not bar mitzvahed myself. But this was a mitzvah, in many ways, this film. But I wasn't myself, just for a number of personal reasons and bad timings that happened.
Totally. All right, thank you. And thank you for the endorsement of The Strategist.
Of course, thank you.
Thank you. Congratulations on the movie.
Oh, I appreciate it. Love
I'm
it.
just going to ask you one quick question.
Yeah.
All right, I'm with the one and only Jason.
Yeah, the one and only.
We definitely grazed past, I think, at Asteroid City.
That's right, I
may
know.
have touched your arm,
Yes.
but you may not
It's
have
fine.
remembered me,
I love
which is
it.
cool. But anyways, what was just one of the funniest things that happened while filming this that you remember?
Shooting this movie, like one of the funniest things that happened. We shot this movie. There actually was a lot of snow involved, and
Real snow or fake
real
snow?
real snow. It's cold,
Okay.
and there's actually, I think it's in the movie, but there's a scene where, I'm walking on the street and the camera was in a car, and they're driving alongside me filming, but I'm not looking where I'm going. I'm just walking because you assume, well, it's a movie, so it's not real life, so you can just keep walking. There's not actually obstacles. Then I walked into a snow wall.
Oh, snowball.
Yeah. So it wasn't like one of the funniest, greatest things that happened, but it was a nice reminder that
It woke you up, right?
you got to wake up. You got
Exactly.
to look forward.
You are alive.
Yeah, exactly. You got to look where you're going.
Thank you so much,
Thank you so much.
Jason.
I appreciate it.